CapCut has smooth transitions, but you have to go and find them. Scroll through a list, pick one, hope it looks right. DaVinci does this instantly. Place two clips together, right click the scene, and it's done. No searching, no scrolling. Let me show you how. Here we have our editing page where we left off from episode 2. And if we go down to up here we have all of our effects and transitions, and there is just so many of them. But what makes DaVinci so special, in my opinion, is you can just go to your scene where you've got your cuts, and if you just right click, you can then add a transition right in there, and you come back and you'll see how that looks, and then you just continue to do that for every transition that you wish to do, and it's just so easy. And if you wish, you can extend some of these transitions. So we've got another one here, so we'll just apply the same one there, maybe extend that just a little bit. Another one here, and you can see how easy this process is. There's no having to go through and like search for transitions. It's just there, it's built in for you. Okay, so one more in there, and if it says that you need to trim some clips to apply that particular transition, you can go ahead and trim that clip, or you can skip it and not apply the transition into that clip. So I'm going to go forward. Here's another one. And obviously the bigger the two clips are on each side, let's cancel that one. Let's go over a slightly shorter one. Then it just makes the process, it gives you more options. So I like the simplicity. Excuse me. I like the simplicity of it. So let's go with this one. Let's go with a 30-second one there. Let's see how that looks. Yeah, I think that's just so smooth, and it just works, you know? And one more in there. And I think this whole process is faster than it takes to sometimes find a transition in CapCut. So this is going to be the final one, so let's see how it looks. You see, that just looks so good, right? So now what we want to be doing is we want to look at applying some background music. So let's go all the way back up here, and then in our media pool, we have a song that we can add in as our background music, and we can close our media pool, and then we just scroll down because we want to make sure that the music plays for the full clip, but then it stops at the end of the clip. So let's just drag it all the way back until we get to the end of our clip, because this is only the footage that we're using. It is like short footage. Okay, let's just slow down, and there we go. Now we can see that the audio levels in this footage here are not as loud as the footage from the music. So we are going to have to make some adjustments to the music, to the levels, and we will do all of that in the next page that we're going to go to, which is going to be the Fairlight page, which is this page right here. Now, we're not going to go into Fusion because we don't need Fusion for this footage, and for people who are just starting out with DaVinci, Fusion is one of the things that really gets them unstuck a little bit. The color page, we don't need to get into that either. What we can do is we can highlight all of our clips just like that. Oh, just like that. And then once we've got them all highlighted, we just go up and we click color, and then we click auto color, and that will apply just a basic color adjustment to all of our clips. Okay, so now that that's done, we've added our transitions, we've added our music, and we've applied a little bit of a minor color adjustment. So in episode 4, we will be going straight into here, which is the Fairlight page, and this is where we can really start to work on our audio levels and get them looking and sounding really good. So I will see you guys in episode 4. Let me know how you've been enjoying this series so far, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Thank you for watching.